What's up, y'all? It's your girl Sasha P back at it again, bringing you real gardening, good food, and entertainment. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up your virtual cooking class. The first thing you want to do is make sure that all of your devices are charged. Whether you'll be using a laptop or a smartphone, please make sure that your devices are charged, because the last thing that you need is for your device to go dead in the middle of your class. In my case, I use a laptop for my classes. So I want to always make sure that she is charged completely up. The next thing you want to do is make sure that the lighting is good. Be sure to set up your class in a space that has good light so that everything can be seen. All of the knife skills, all of the measuring. The students want to see that, so make sure that you have good light. The third thing you want to do is make sure that you have all of your supplies in place, such as cutting boards, knives, measuring spoons, things like that. Whatever you're going to need to prepare the food, make sure you already have it set up. Otherwise, you'll be running back and forth, and we don't want to do that while we're teaching the class. That brings me to the next step, the food. Always make sure that you have all of your food items ready to go, whether it be meat, whether it be produce. Make sure that you have everything you're going to need food-wise for the recipe. Also, that's going to depend on what you're going to be showing everyone. If you're going to be showing them how to chop something, say for instance celery, make sure you have the celery ready to go. Make sure you have it on your cutting board along with your knife to the side so that you can show them properly how to do it, and make sure that it's all in the shot. Yes, make sure you get your food ready. Next, you want to make sure that you have a recipe to go on. The last thing you need is to forget a step. So make sure you have a proper printed copy of the recipe so that you can go back and look at it and make sure you're not leaving any steps out. All right, and last but certainly not least, make sure that the students can hear you. So when you're ready to start the class, just give a quick sound check. Can everyone hear me? That's going to be the biggest thing. So if you have your devices charged, you have your lighting together, you have all of your tools, your food, now you're ready to start teaching your class. All you got to do now is ask everybody, can you hear my voice? Can you see me? Now it's time to get teaching. And that's how you set up a virtual cooking class. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see y'all on the next one.